All right, much happier about this life choice. We're going to Home Depot and not Lowe's. Thank goodness, because I'm much more of a Home Depot girly than a Lowe's girly. So yeah, we're back at Old Faithful here. Spent a lot of time here when I was renovating the van. What up, Home Depot? Let's go. Please say they have a socket sense, because socket set, because otherwise, what in the world is actually happening? Please, please, I'm begging you, don't make me go to Lowe's. At what point has it become that Lowe's has a better selection than Home Depot? Like, what is wrong in the world if Home Depot is second tier to Lowe's now? Someone explain that to me, because I am just... We are back at Lowe's. Back at Lowe's again. At least I know where everything is here that I need. You know what I mean? Like, I know where all of the bits are and the thingamajig, so let's go in. Hey, guess what? We're back getting the thing we just returned like 3 days ago. I just returned this because I was like, oh, what am I thinking? This isn't gonna work. Yeah, dingbat. This is exactly what you need, doofus. Some days I just wonder where my brain's at. Bam. Pretty sure that's what we need. Pretty sure that's what we need. All right. Here comes the fun. The fun is finding the correct size for the seats. Oh, according to the internet, the seats of the Grenadier are a T50. This is a T50. So, moment of truth, moment of truth, moment of truth, moment of truth. Oh, snug as a bug in a rug. Yeah, 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 yeah. I don't really know what the best course of action is to take these seats out, but we're just going to start undoing bolts and kind of go from there. What I'm questioning right now is whether I need to pull this out, or I should just leave that. So I'm trying to figure out what the first step is to take these. This is so weird. Oh, it's because there's a screw in there. So let's take that out first. Let's pull these bad boys out. Oh my God. I'm like, can I stand on that? Oh God, that's got to be the wrong way. That can't be the right way. What? No, get out of here. Ah! Would you like to talk about driving me bonkers, German engineering, guys? European engineering at this point. The bolts in the center require the different torque bit that has an opening in the center of it. All right, we got that piece of plastic pulled out of there, and now we're gonna start taking these bolts off of there. Oh my gosh, these are gonna be brutal to get out. Maybe it's the opposite direction. Righty tighty. Oh God. Okay, I'm gonna need some else. You know, I'm a strong female, and I cannot get these out for the life of me. Why are they so difficult to get out of here? My Tacoma was not this hard. This is so frustrating right now. This is like so frustrating, and I really want to get them out of here. To give this a whirl with the impact. That's why I bought it, right? So I can take really tight bolts out. Isn't that why you have an impact? You know? This will do the trick! I feel it deeply in my soul. Have it, folks. These are not coming out with my impact. Way right now to go get the seats taken out because I need to get this done. I need to start building. Today was the day the seats are coming out, so we are making it a mission to get the seats out right now. Here we go. I feel like these guys can do the trick. Making moves today. These back seats coming out. Making big moves. Big moves. We're here at Christian Brothers. They were very nice when I called. It sounds like here is my current dilemma.
Whoa, okay. So what are we
So, I'm just trying to figure things out here. Those bolts?
Yeah.
I have just like the standard, you know, a standard impact.
Well, 20 volts should do it, right?
They didn't budge at all. Like at all.
Fully charged with 20 volts?
Right. Christian Brothers is for the win right now. They have been super nice and are willing to help a damsel in distress. Not really a damsel in distress, it's just the bolts are not moving at all. Is that a 47?
45, I believe.
Oh, 45. I was using a 47.
Oh, it's a 50. I was wrong.
Oh, is that really a 50?
I brought a 45 and a 50. This is a 50.
Maybe it didn't work for me because I was using a 45.
Yeah, this one's a little chewed up. I think that
yeah, I did 47 on there because my 50 didn't fit.
Then it's good that it didn't work because then it can actually make things way worse.
Because my 50 definitely didn't. My 50 wasn't fitting in there. So
not yet, buddy.
We're trying.
Yeah, it's gonna be.
Wow, look at that whole set there. Nice.
Yeah, it's gonna be a 50 all the way around, but one of them's.
Great news is we figured out the bit is called a security bit because you have to have specialty tools to take these torques out because it's a specialty thing. And so what the situation is the dealer doesn't want you messing with it because once you start messing with it, then it's a safety issue because if you start messing with it, you have to retorque it to the right specifications. He thinks it's 50.
Take some persuasion.
What is that? Really?
Yeah,
that's not even fair. So I just needed a longer wrench.
And a breaker one if you got it.
Is the breaker one the one that bends like that?
Like you hear, well, no, but that does help you in case, but you hear how many times this one clicks?
Yeah.
Yours clicks way less amount of times. So what that means is there's slack inside here. And any slack anywhere is going to take away all your torque that you're trying to
Got
apply.
it.
So
interesting.
If I had one that didn't do this, that'd be perfect. It would take me forever. I would break it loose with just a breaker bar. Then I would use this to go faster.
Oh, so like a breaker bar like what I had for my Tacoma to take the tires off.
Yeah, exactly.
Huh. Progress is being made. Major progress is being made here. This bolt that scared me today is officially on its way out the door. All right, so progress was made. We did get some of those bolts out, which feels pretty good. Problem is the seat is more complex to take out than anticipated. So now we are gonna come back tomorrow for more help from John. I might go play around with it a little more this afternoon and see what I can figure out, because why not? Looking on the Grenadier forum to try and figure out what is missing with these and what it is that I'm doing that I'm not getting them out, because as of right now, they're not coming out and I don't know why. All of the bolts are taken out. These are not taken out, but it looks like this is one unit. It looks like this is one unit all the way across there. That's one unit. This is one unit, but it's like, I don't know. Can I take this off and then that'll undo the seat? Like what is the next step? Okay, this came out.
Oh, you can take these.
This came out. This is what I'm trying to figure out how to take out. This has to come out somehow.
Let me see.
This comes out. I don't think, because that's the plastic.
No, this is the metal frame.
You think so?
Yeah, this whole piece is one frame.
Right, so moving back to finishing this whole thing up. There's more bolts on the sides here, and these bolts here in the center that I think are a piece of the puzzle that have to come out, but I really think that the first step is going to be taking these side bolts out. So we're going to just take these guys out right here. So we're going to just get after these guys. Bam! Moving it. I'm going to have to get those bolts out, but this is moving. All right, great news. Great news. Those 4 bolts are out, and it actually looked like the seat kind of moved some. So here's hoping we get this out. Okay, so yes, it'll come out. It's gonna take some maneuvering, but we can do this. We can do this. I got this. The best mode of action is to shut this. Is going to be if this is still stuck. Okay, I think it can come out. It's just, this is a 2-man job. This is not a single. Did I forget to do a bolt on this side? No. Okay. Oh. There. That was not what we wanted to do. Solve this buddy here. We got to find the wire for the seats, because the seats have the seatbelt monitor. So we got to figure out which one goes to that. I'm assuming it's that. Hey. Okay, now where's my mom gonna store all this stuff? Just brand new leather seats. No big deal. Wow, look at that.
You're almost ready to leave.
It's like I'm ready to go now. All right, I feel so much better now. Like, so much better. Holy crap, I have so much space. And now my brain can start like visualizing what I'm gonna build in here just to go to Baja, which is like stoked. Here we go. So I need to take measurements of everything in here so that way I can start designing what I'm gonna build. And what I'm building is just something to get me to Baja. And then I will completely redesign the interior from that. But I just need something to go to Baja and be comfortable. So yeah, we're gonna try my fridge in here. So that's just massive. I just think that that's not a thing for me. So this is also the first time I'm like in the Grenny without the back seats and starting to actually like visualize and think about the space and how much space I do and don't have. And like seeing that fridge is just like, oh my gosh, there's no space. Like, there's no space. That is huge. Like, that is a mega fridge and it takes up a ton of space. So, you know, when you're doing the measurements on your Grenny to build a sleeping platform, because you're not going to cut the roof off just yet, and you made it a big deal to sit in the Grenny and make sure you could build a bench to sit on, but you didn't think about how long it had to be because you're a tall human. Good job, Sloan. Well, we're gonna definitely sleep on this side because that side's shorter. This side's good. So here we are. I barely fit. I think I'm at the, not the end, but you know, that seat will just live very far forward. You know, we just have to like migrate. Like, yes, it works. I just gotta figure out this exact length and then basically, yeah, it's a thing. It feels crazy. I just figured out that this is the same amount of living space that I had in the Tacoma truck bed, which feels crazy. So it's 6 feet from back seat to the back, which is like wild. But it's just so different because in the Tacoma, I had the Tacoma. So I had the back seat of the Tacoma for storage. But in this, I don't have any other storage other than like boxes they'll put on the roof. So it means you downsize quite a bit. Because that's just what you gotta do. So yeah, trying to figure out the game plan for what to do here. All right, so we're gonna call today done. We're gonna call today good. No major meltdowns, which is an accomplishment.